Hello everyone, welcome back to my training, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use the new feature in Birthday Wisher, that is archive messages, and what it does or how it works. So let me give you a quick insight of this new feature is right now, once any birthday wishes are going or any advance wishes are going or any follow-up wishes are going, that point of time those messages are staying in your messenger list. There could be 5, 10 and even 20 of the people who are just receiving messages from your side and only related to their birthday wishes or something like that, and you don't want them to be at the very beginning of your list because you are having some potential users where you are having some communications with them, right? And you want those messages at the very beginning rather than these birthday wishes. So for that only we came up with a new feature, that is the archive messaging feature. So if you keep enable for all the three features that is there, that is advance or birthday wish or follow-up, you can actually keep it enable or disable for 3 of them. And if you have enabled it, then automatically once the messages are going out within next 15 seconds it will be archived from your messaging list and it will go into the archive list. So if you visit your Facebook page where you can see the events in birthdays, that point of time you'll be able to see that how many birthdays are there for your friends and how many recent birthdays were there and how many are upcoming. What I'm suggesting is first you should uninstall the current version and reinstall the latest one so that you can make sure that this works just fine. But once you will reinstall, you will see that these two options are disabled for you, so you can enable both and then you can actually use all these features and then you can save. Now this disable archive chat, this particular option that we came up new, and this actually will be doing the job that I just described, that archiving your messages. So if it is enabled for any of these 3 options, that point of time whichever messages is going out related to any of these, it will be archiving the chat once it is sent out after 15 seconds of that. So let me go quickly and check my settings, what time my messages and post will go out, and that is 7:59 a.m. and this is 7:43. So let me quickly change this time so that it can run within next few minutes only, and I can show you in this video how it works. So now I have given the time as 7:44 a.m. so I have to wait for next 5 minutes. It will start working and it will start sending out messages and post for these 3 people, and then it will send messages to this person, but not this person. Only these 2 person will get it, because as per my setup my follow-up messages will go after 2 days, right? So as this is 26th for me, so 24th and 24th, so these 2 people is going to get messages from me. And advanced one, if I check that upcoming list who are there 2 days, that also I have given 28th. On this date whoever is there, these people are actually going to get a message from my side regarding their upcoming birthday. So let us go to the messenger and let us see that if there is any messages or not that actually went out so far. By the way, you will be able to see all these messages in this archive list, whoever is actually receiving message from your side with the birthday wishes. You can already see that I already ran it earlier, and all these people who just have received a message from my side, those messages actually came into the archive list, and these people haven't actually replied me back yet, and that is the only reason why these all are over here only and they didn't go to the message list. If now anyone is replying back to you, like this person actually received one message from me on her birthday, and now you see right now Durgesh Mukherjee, this person just now received a message from me, and let us wait for 15 seconds and you will see that this message is going to be archived automatically. You see now this person's message is not there anymore, and if I visit the archive chats over there, if I just refresh once, sometimes Facebook actually takes a little while to show you the updated archive list, so don't worry where that message went. If you refresh the page, automatically you will be able to see that, or you can just wait for a couple of seconds and automatically this will be popping up over here. Right now you can see Durgesh Mukherjee just received an advance message from my side. As you guys already know, the flow is the advance will go first, then the birthday wishes will go, and then the follow-up will go. So now my advance messages are going. Another person just received another message from my side, and if I go back to the events list where you could see that Durgesh Mukherjee, this person 2 days after his birthday is, so he got a message. Now this person got a message, now another message will go to him and him. After that my birthday wishes will start going out, and then the follow-ups will go out, and all those messages you will be able to see over here only. And if you don't see any of them, to confirm that if anyone received any messages from your side or not related to their birthday wishes also, you will be able to check that in this archive chat list, or you can just enable the pop-up once more, and at the very dashboard you will be able to see when it ran actually at the very last, right? And it is showing the 7:26. So this is the last time when it ran on my end. and here the time that is actually coming with your local time only, not UTC time. Even in our upcoming version update, you will be able to see we are going to get released, or you can say we'll be removing the UTC conversion from here, from the settings, and this particular time zone will be your local time zone only, so that you don't have to calculate every time whenever you are setting up your birthday schedules, right? But you can now see that few other messages also, I believe, came and gone. So let me go back to my archive message list, and if I refresh the page once, I'll be able to see if there was any other new messages that actually went out, and also that went to, okay, so see, Banti Shahu, this person also just now received one message from my side, and within next few seconds it will go to the archive list. This is basically the feature how it works, and where you will be getting all the messages back if you really want to check that if everybody got a message from your side or not, related to the advance wish or birthday wisher or follow-up, right? And you can disable anytime any of this, and that point of time those messages will be staying out here only. And one more suggestion that I'll be giving to you in this video only, that if you see that something is running at right this moment, don't play with these settings, because that will break the current means setup, because it's already in a running status. Once everything ran and there is no other person going to get any messages or so that point of time you change this any of these settings, so that the very next day when any person is going to get, or any future date, like if your settings has any future time and that it's not going to run just within next few, or it is not running at this moment and it is going to run in future, then you can change any of these settings. But if you know that it is running at this moment, don't change any of these settings, because that will break the current flow. This is all, and make sure you have uninstalled your previous version of birthday wisher and reinstall the latest version from the Chrome store, because of these new changes that we have actually added to the code base. That's all, folks. This is how this feature works. Hopefully you understood, and if you need any other feature update or anything at all, just let me know. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a nice day, and don't forget to comment in this video if you really like, then please leave also a reaction, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.